it's a hot day, I'm gonna get this. They're at the Center Road, corner of Hellier. There's a shopping center. I ordered on the phone, so I'm just gonna pick it up. They have chicken wings. So that's the one I ordered, the super quesadilla, and then the beef taco. I think it's that one. Oh look, it's cute. They brought the artificial grass, so it looks nice. So here's my to-go. This is for the quesadilla. And I ordered 4 tacos. They're $4 each. Okay. And this is the super quesadilla. They're all good. Already had the birria, and this is not salty. Birria is not salty, unlike one of the taco places I ate.
Na bumaba ang bilang ng mga turista dahil maraming hindi na muna tumuloy sa planong bakasyon.
And this is their e-receipts. I think it's because I gave them my phone number.